Autumn has arrived in Seoul, but in just a blink of an eye, she will whiz away with all her golden glory. Before she does, I want to enjoy this atmosphere as much as I can. I have planned some golden things for us to do in this vlog. So put on your boots, grab your scarves, we are off to crunch some leaves and have a fantastic autumn spiced day. And let's bake some cookies. For the cookie dough, I used a recipe that I found online and I will link it below. I rolled the dough into balls and stored it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and now I am going to take them out the fridge and roll them out using a rolling pin. I chose to color one batch of the dough with an orange tint. I felt like the orange and the vanilla really complemented each other quite well. Then using a squirrel-shaped cookie cutter, now I'm going to place them in a lined baking tray and put them in the oven for about 15 minutes. Be careful not to burn the cookies, as the edges of the squirrel, like the ears or the tail, can burn quite easily. These cookies look so good without a frosting, but if you'd like to create a more autumny flavor, I am going to make a frosting using icing sugar and maple syrup mixed together. I then spread this paste over the cookies. I have just made myself an espresso and it is the moment of truth. I'm going to take a bite of one of the iced squirrel cookies. I let them cool or set in the fridge for a couple of minutes before I've taken them out. So let's try. I'm happy. We have just finished baking and I love that the apartment smells like that warm, yummy cookie smell. I'm going to head off for some pumpkin spice ice cream or some apple pie ice cream. I'm not too sure which flavor Sticky Ricky's is going to be making, but either way, they will both be good. Meet up with some friends to enjoy a pumpkin pie latte at Plant. So I'm going to be popping today, but you know, I've got to take one for the team and eat all of these things just for you. Have a pumpkin pie or pumpkin spice latte on their menu, and I also know that over the Thanksgiving period they have a yummy Thanksgiving feast, so that is something you should also try out. That will be in a couple of weeks. I think it will be Thanksgiving, and then we are going tomorrow. I am going to show you my favorite kind of autumn nature spot, and that is the Orange Cosmos in Olympic Park near Jamshil. So put something warm on, wrap yourself with a scarf, and let's go on a little autumn adventure in Seoul. So Sticky Ricky's is this really cute artisanal ice cream shop in Seoul, and he always makes an amazing variety of ice cream, and during this season he will make the yummiest autumn flavors. So I've tried pumpkin pie spice before, and I think I've tried the chili chocolate. Tradition to go to Plant Cafe in Itaewon for a pumpkin spice latte in autumn. They make a dairy-free latte with almond, oat, or soy milk. The pumpkin spice latte is delicious served with whipping cream on top, and it gives me all of the autumn feels. During this season, they also serve a Thanksgiving feast. All the food is vegan, but suited to all palates. Their cake selection is always great, and during autumn, they have flavors like peanut butter chocolate cake or apple crumble cake. But something that amazes me in Seoul is Olympic Park. They have this hill that is covered with the most beautiful orange cosmos, and at this time of the year they are bursting with color, and these are such a beautiful sight to see, and it's a great spot for photos and just to experience a bit of nature.